Hello people, welcome to this channel. Thank you so much for watching us, supporting us and subscribing us. Today we came for a
fighting scene reaction.
I'm Nafisa.
I'm Jimmy.
Welcome.
Hello people, hi guys, it's your man the Jimmy 624 and we are sorry because at morning we put in video, the previous video of Ajit Kumar sir's that we put it in a different version. Actually the thing is that I couldn't able to differentiate about the language, okay. Really I have to tell you, I know Kerala, okay, Telugu and Tamil I got little mixed up, that's why I did the Telugu version, but you know I respect each and every language since Ajit Kumar sir is very much near and dear to the Tamil Nadu people, so we couldn't able to do the Man Katha interval scene in Tamil language and I searched in everywhere in YouTube I couldn't able to find it. Okay, so I'm really sorry, I need more time to find this video, and if you guys have this scene in Tamil version, do send us to my email ID. Okay, I will put my email ID in the description below, or if you have the video clip with you, do send us, we will do the reaction on that. Okay, my email ID is available at the description. Just send it to me with your name and your photo, I will put it there. Okay, so we have done something at morning, so we want to make it up. You guys have asked us for the Viswasam rain fighting scene. Okay, so say right now it's around night 1 o'clock. Okay, so we came back to house from the movie, so anyhow we are doing it because of the love of our people who are watching us and love for our Ajit Kumar sir. So let's go for this fighting scene reaction.
Let's
Go for the Viswasam rain fights reaction right now. What happened? What? Oh. So many people after one girl. Huh? This is the daughter of Ajit Kumar in the movie. Here comes who? Yes. See, now he'll recognize it's his daughter. I think he doesn't know that it's his daughter, I think. That's why he's looking like it. Oh. Someone to help. Wow. I think she understood. So there with the sword and
sword?
And he came with the helmet. Wow. Take it. Boom. Bye-bye. That is Ajit Kumar sir. Oh, fuck off, man. His bone is broken. You guys don't understand. He will kill you people. Vada. Okay, he's speaking Tamil. Nothing will happen. I think she understood. Seriously? How can even you try to do that? People are flying now. More people too. And I feel like he's like sword warrior. How does he know the name? So how was the fight scene?
I think he has already known the daughter and her name.
You know, I'm a little bit confused because at the starting of the scene when she was running and Ajit sir was like driving the bike and look at the girl, okay, hi, hello, then bye-bye, he's going to, oh, so many boys. Then he's stopped there to help that girl like in the basis of humanity ground.
Yeah, it is like that, but in even I was feeling like that.
At the end when he is taking the name of the girl, that like...
He named it. I was like confused.
Me too. I got also confused.
But I'm thinking just the only possibility might be like
he know this girl and the thing is that
her, okay, then after they were after her,
yes,
okay, he in one specific point of the time he remembered.
No, it's not that. Do you remember in this song Kanna Na Kanne that he was hidingly watching this girl from the far? He knows that this girl belongs to him. It's his daughter, but he doesn't want to come in front of his daughter. From the behind, he's looking at his daughter, but from front, he doesn't. That's why you know. He knows the girl. The girl doesn't know that man is his father. Yes, when he said he's wearing dhoti and veshti and this shirt
mother may
understood, you know, and even said he's also speaking Tamil. Like mother said, nothing will happen to you, my daughter.
Finally, mom.
When Ajit said is there.
Yeah. Finally, her mom realized that the father is protecting the girl.
Like yeah. So this was our reaction on the Viswasam fight. No, rain fight scene. And I'm thinking like I don't know this video will stay how much long because it might get blocked or something. So anyhow, all of my viewers over there, thank you so much for watching our video. Do like it, share it with your friends and family, and that's it for today. Till then,
please don't forget to subscribe us.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye bye.